Possible finance loan gets declined when the app can't verify your banking activity, your income looks inconsistent, or your internal risk score doesn't meet their approval threshold. By the end, you'll know the real reasons Possible Finance declines loans, how to fix each one, and what to change so your next application has a higher chance of approval. Start with the biggest factor. Possible Finance relies heavily on your linked bank account data. If your bank connection is incomplete, outdated, or missing recent transactions, the system can't verify your cash flow. That alone can trigger an automatic decline even if your income is stable. Next, look at income consistency. The system looks for steady deposits going into your account. If your income is irregular, delayed, or varies a lot between pay periods, the app may see that as higher risk. That doesn't mean you're ineligible forever, but it can block approval on that attempt. Now, check your account activity. A very new bank account, or an account with limited history, can lead to a decline. The system needs enough transaction data to understand your spending habits. Without that history, it treats the application as incomplete risk data. Another common issue is existing loan activity. If you already have an active loan with Possible Finance or a recent repayment is still processing, the app may block new approvals until the current cycle is fully updated in the system. Also, check for bank sync errors. If your bank recently changed passwords, updated security settings, or required new verification, the connection inside the app may silently break. Reconnecting your bank account usually restores the missing data needed for approval. App version and device issues can also matter. An outdated app or interrupted background permissions can prevent full data syncing. That leads to incomplete financial profiles, which can cause automatic rejection without a clear explanation on screen. Here's the simple breakdown. Possible Finance declines loans because of incomplete bank data, unstable income patterns, limited account history, or existing loan activity. Most denials happen because the system can't confidently verify your financial behavior. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account. Make sure your income deposits are consistent and visible. Wait for a few complete transaction cycles, and reapply when your account history is fully synced. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on personal finance app issues.